Hey guys, I'm here with a new recipe video, that is aloo papad. And main thing of this aloo papad is this, that it lasts long, more than 1 year. You can store it for more than 1 year. So as you can see that I have made many papad in very much less time. So yeah, let's get started. So for this we have taken boiled potatoes. As you can see that these all are boiled potatoes, and I just peel it off, and after that I'm going to grate it in this type of grater. Make sure when you are doing this process, make sure there is no lump in the potatoes, otherwise your papad will get damaged. Like this, you have to just grate all the potatoes one by one. In making aloo papad, this step is little bit hectic and time taking, but after that this will be okay. So I am getting all the potatoes here. You have to follow just 4 to 5 steps to make aloo papad, and as you can see that I am just getting all the potatoes and making sure there are no lumps left behind. Now this process is almost done. After that I have taken chili powder and salt as per my taste, and you have to follow your taste in this and mix it well like this. You have to make a dough out of it. And if there are any lump left behind in the process of grating, you just mash it in this process. After completing this process, I am taking a cotton dupatta here. You can take a bed sheet or anything else like polythene sheet, a big polythene sheet. You can dry papad under the fan or on the roof if you are making it in the afternoon or in morning when sun is there. But I am making it in a night, so I am making it under the fan. With the help of fan, it will take overnight or 10 to 15 hours to dry up, but on the roof in the sunrise it will take only 3 to 4 hours to dry up. So it is a one-day process of making papad, and it will last for more than 1 year. So for this I am taking this polythene sheet, a square shaped polythene sheet, 2 polythene sheets, one for making papad and other for pressing it. Now you can see that I am oiling both the polythene sheets here, making a ball out of potatoes. Now after making several balls, I am going to make papad. If you have 2 to 3 person at home, for this will be easier. Now process starts of making papad.
So after preparing all this, you have to take this potato ball, keeping it on polythene and cover it with another polythene. Make sure polythene is properly oiled and press it with a plain surface. Means you can take this plate or anything else. So I am just putting it over the potato ball and pressing it with a hard hand. Now you can see this is almost done, but what I am going to do is just making it big. So spread it with your fingers in a round shape so that your papad will be in the thin shape. You all know that festival Holi is coming and this is the main dish, you can say that. And if you prepare this at home, this will be best option. Otherwise you can buy it from market also, but I would like to prepare it at home. Now this is the perfect size, you can see that. Now what you have to do is just remove the upper polythene like this with very gentle hand and taking it like this. I am just putting it over here and remove this polythene. Now your work is done. Again I am putting it on the plate, repeating the same process like this. Taking this plate, pressing it with a hard hand. Same process as we done it before. I don't have much time to do because I have a daughter who is 2.5 months old and I don't have much time. I have 1 hour time because she is sleeping. So I am doing this, but I like to prepare papad at home. Now spreading it with my fingers in a round shape as we have done this earlier. Now you can see this is very easy process. You will face problem in 1 to 2 papads only. After that you will be very fine with this. Now this is done. Removing the upper foil or polythene, just taking it like this and keeping it over here. Remove the polythene, again repeat the process. So this is very easy process. You can do this at home and this is very easy recipe of making aloo papad. What you have to do is just boil the potato, grind it and mix some ingredients which I have told you earlier. In Indian homes, this is very favorite recipe, favorite thing in Holi after gujia, because gujia is the main part of Holi. And after this, after gujia, we would like to have papad, chips or anything else. There are many more papad chips options like rice chips, kachri, aloo papad and many other things. Now I have done this. Now you can see this. This is not very much time taking. In half an hour only you can prepare up to 50 papads. And 50 to 60 papad is more than enough for an Indian family. And if you wish, you can repeat this process on another day if you have time. Now you can see that. Removing the foil, taking it like this, just keeping it over here. Oh, make sure you don't stick to the another papad. I'm making this papad much more earlier because I have to do this twice, thrice. Now I am going to do all this, and after that I will show you the final result. So by the time I am just going to off the camera and doing all this, and after that I will show you the final result, that how much papad I have made today.
Now these are all the papads I have made from that amount of potato, and it will last for more than 1 year. So this is the simplest process of making aloo papad, and if you like it, please press the thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel for more recipes. So till then, bye bye.